Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to look at how we're going to be able to connect to an OPC UA server using secure communication. So we're just going to go normally to collect and going to click on add connection. And here I'm going to put my host IP and then the port number. No, yes. So here by security and policy, we can just select none. Next. So authentication mode, that's where it comes in. So I'll just go with the username, and here I'll enter my username, like admin, for example, and my password, and then hit connect. And as you can see, now I may add variables again, and I have my connection, my secure connection. And as we can see, we can just use it and add variables as the usual. Thank you for watching.